If you notice any dashboard light coming on while driving, follow these steps. 1. Stay calm. The first and most crucial step is to stay calm. Panicking can lead to poor decisions and may even put you at risk. 2. Identify the light. Identify the specific dashboard light that came on. Knowing the exact light will help you understand the severity of the issue. 3. Check for urgency. Some lights, like the check engine light, may not require immediate attention, while others, such as the oil pressure warning light, demand immediate action. 4. Safely pull over. If the light indicates a severe problem or affects your driving ability, find a safe place to pull over and turn off the engine. 5. Consult your owner's manual. Your vehicle's owner's manual is valuable. It can provide insights into the meaning of the dashboard light and recommended actions. 6. Check gas cap. A loose or faulty gas cap can sometimes trigger the check engine light. Make sure the gas cap is securely fastened. 7. Check other gauges. Look at other gauges on the dashboard, such as the temperature gauge or oil pressure gauge, to gather more information. 8. Assess warning sounds or odors. Unusual sounds or odors could also accompany the dashboard light, providing additional clues about the problem. 9. Restart the car. Sometimes, dashboard lights may illuminate due to temporary glitches. Restarting the car might cause the light to turn off. 10. Proceed with caution. If the light turns off and everything seems normal, proceed cautiously and continue driving. However, get your car checked at the earliest opportunity. If you find this video useful, please share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, we'll respond. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.